Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming, and welcome to a quick unboxing video for the HyperX Cloud Stinger headset. This was recommended to me by a friend on Steam, and these are considered to be the best budget gaming headsets, so I decided to get them. They arrived today, so I thought I'll make a quick video. They cost me 24.99 rupees, which is about $40 or about 32 pounds. And for me, this is about as much as I would like to spend on a headset. The box is quite simple. It has an outer sleeve. Inside, when you open it, you get these two cards, the quick start guide and one card just welcoming you and congratulating you on the purchase. The headsets are nicely placed inside the foam covering padding. Basically outside the box, they're quite small. You get a 1.3 plus a 1.7 cable, so up to 3 meters in length. The ear cups, the foam padding is something that instantly looked a lot better. Obviously it extends as well, so you can adjust it according to your head. The top also has a bit of foam, so comfortable on the head as well. But yeah, the foam padding around the ear cups, this was a big improvement. For comparison, I have my old headset, the one I'm replacing. So this is the blind.Check 780, and as you can see, the size difference is quite noticeable. The other one wasn't particularly heavy or anything, but this one feels a lot nicer, lot smaller, lot more comfortable and snug on the ears as well. Also, it has the mic, which can bend around quite a bit, quite comfortably, and so it's useful because you can get it out of the way. I'm not planning on using this mic too much. So yeah, that was a quick look at the unboxing. I'll put the links below if you want to check it out or see more detailed reviews. I've just got this, so I'll use it for a few weeks and then I'll probably give my thoughts as to whether I like this or not. But instantly, it's a lot more snugger. The sounds are a bit clearer because it just sits more snugly around your ears, so there's less background noise, outside noise. Hopefully this was useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.